We all know how amazing ChatGPT is, right? But guess what? There's a fantastic secret I'm about to share with you today. Did you know that there are special Chrome extensions that can supercharge ChatGPT, making it even more incredible? And here's the best part. Out of hundreds of extensions out there, I've done the hard work for you and handpicked the top most useful extensions. That's right. In this video, I will be unveiling these game-changing extensions that will revolutionize your ChatGPT experience. Get ready to witness the power of these handpicked Chrome extensions for ChatGPT. Let's go! The first extension that I want to show you is Prometheus. And what Prometheus does is that it gives you an option to use your voice to talk to ChatGPT. When you search Prometheus on Google Web Store, you land on this page, and all you need to do is add it to your Chrome. Once it is added, you can go back to your ChatGPT, and you can see there's an option on your right hand side. There's a video as well for you to see. It's just like a tutorial, and you have these options. You can either send messages automatically by clicking this, or you can just type it in. You can press the spacebar to record your message. Give me 4 ways to make money online. As you can see, it typed the message automatically, and then you can send it. See, it was really simple to use. It's a small nice feature, but it makes a big impact, especially for people who doesn't want to spend time typing their messages, and they can talk to ChatGPT like a human. The best part is, it's totally free. You can go back to the Prometheus extension page, and if you're confused, you can go down and you can read the instructions on how to use it. The next extension that I want to show you is ChatGPT Sidebar, called as Cider. And when you go down, you can see the overview. It shows you that it's a powerful sidebar with ChatGPT translator, dictionary, it can grammar check, it can use customizable prompts. You have a quick lookup window, quick access, easy to toggle on and off. Then you have easy to access ChatGPT 3.5, GPT-4 is for the Plus users, and it's totally free. So we'll go ahead and we'll add it to our Chrome. So I'm on the Wikipedia page of OpenAI, and as you can see on the right hand side, I have the toggle button. So if I select this part in the Wikipedia, as you can see, it's already copied over here. I can use any custom prompt from here, for example, summarize. As you can see, it has given me a short summary of whatever I selected in the page. As you can see, I selected explain in the custom prompt, and it gave me an explanation of the part I selected. You have an option to chat with it, just like ChatGPT. You can type in your message. You have the prompts over here as well, and it uses ChatGPT 3.5. Get ChatGPT 4. You have to sign in first and invite your friends or upgrade to premium. It has an option of built-in chat PDF as well. When you click on it, it'll take you to this page where you can drop your PDF file and you can chat with it. As you can see, I just opened this video on YouTube, and on the sidebar, I'm having the transcription of the video, and it's really amazing. It's really nice to have such features, and the possibilities are really endless. This is the reason 100,000 plus users are using this sidebar. The next extension is YouTube and article summary powered by ChatGPT. And once you add it into your Chrome, you go to YouTube on any video, and you will see there's an option of transcript and summary. When you click on it, you'll see the transcript of the whole video. There's an option in YouTube as well to show the transcript, but in that you have line by line, and it's very frustrating. You can't even copy it for any use case. Here you have the script in a paragraph style, and you have an option to copy it into ChatGPT as well. It's just a shortcut, and you will click on it. It'll take you to ChatGPT, and based on the whole script, it'll give you a summary of what the video is all about, or it'll give you its own opinion. Later you can ask ChatGPT about some questions you have regarding the script, or maybe you can ask ChatGPT to generate a similar script for your video. It's really simple to use, and it's useful for those who are creating YouTube videos. They can generate content from here, maybe they can summarize it, and they can upload their own video regarding the same content. And that's it from this extension. It's totally free and it's simple to use. It's just one click away. Okay, so the next extension is ChatGPT for search engines -prompt templates. You can just go on, add it to the Chrome, and once you add it to the Chrome, you can go back to your ChatGPT and you can see how it looks now. It's really amazing what this extension can do. I'll show you in a bit. Once you arrive here, you can see by default it'll be prompt template selected. You have different templates here, and these are all the prompts. So for example, if you're into blogging and you have these for blogging, you select one and you write about the topic. Write your details in the highlighted ones. You need to write the title, subject, keywords, length limit, target audience, and then you could send the message and it will generate. You have related to email, you have fun, website copy, career, case study, video. There are a lot of templates here, and what I like is using the top prompts. You can sort out by most upvoted. You can see how many people are using these. For example, better content outline. You can select this one. What are the main points you want to cover? Please ignore all previous instructions using the MEC framework. So basically you need to enter topic and it will do everything by itself, and you need to select the style and tone, whether you want a friendly, luxury, relaxed. You can use the language. Let me try something. Let's select relaxed, English. Whoa! So can you see how it gave me a huge, it's like a case study. It's like something came out of a book. It generated everything from this pre-made prompt. It gave me like chapters and then subheadings. So it's really nice. I think you have to go back, start a new chat for it to appear again. I don't know what private prompts are, but here you can select from the top prompts, and then you can maybe search a prompt for content. So you have these content related. You have topics to select from here. If you don't want to type here, you can select IT, for example, and then within this you can maybe search something if you want. Look at this. You don't need a prompt generator somewhere else on some other website when you have extension built in within ChatGPT. It's really very useful. You can find more details from the same page you install the extension from, and in the features, as you can see, they have mentioned everything. They have a YouTube video from which you can learn about new features and how to use it. This one is really nice, and it can save a lot of hours for people who doesn't know how to prompt properly. So the next one is ChatGPT for Google. And it's a small extension made for Google. So once you install it, next head up to Google. Once you're in Google, type anything you want. For example, I type text to video generation tools. And as you can see on the right hand side, you have this extension. It's generating an answer. This extension takes the help of different websites and it generates an answer for you. Then you have an option to chat with it. Maybe you can ask it something more about these options that they gave. You can pin this, you can open in ChatGPT, you can maybe share the conversation, and that's it. That's what it does. You can go back to the extension page and maybe you can look for the overview, what features it supports, and what else is there in this. It's a simple little extension. You can keep it installed, and whenever you are searching on Google, it'll help you through the ChatGPT's interface. Okay, so now this one is great. It's called Superpower for ChatGPT, and for a reason actually. Once you install it and you go to ChatGPT, then you realize something changed. Now you have these bars to open and close, you have the sidebar, you have an option to create a folder. I will create this folder, for example. You can change the color of it, you can organize all your chats in this folder, you have a trash bar separately. You have a history of your prompts, whichever chats you had, it will be saved in this one. You have community prompts, and when you go to community prompts, you can see you can search by prompt title. You can sort it out by most upvotes, most used, my prompts. You can categorize it. You can choose the language. For example, Chinese, you have Chinese prompts as well. I'll come to this part later. You can see you have a lot of prompts here. And then you have options to delete all your chats. You have settings. These settings are normally not available in ChatGPT. You can see you can auto sync, you can use the model setting, custom prompts, export, Twitter, newsletter. Then you can export all the chats. Here you have the model. We are on Turbo model, which is basically ChatGPT 3.5. These are ChatGPT 4, but it is unofficial. I think I cannot use it now. You can select the tone at which you want your ChatGPT to be. You can select the writing style, you can choose the language, and here you have the options, shortcuts. You can use these shortcuts to tell ChatGPT what you want more from the answer. Maybe if ChatGPT has given you an answer, you can ask him to rewrite or paraphrase or explain. You have continue shortcut here. Instead of like typing continue and entering it, you can directly click the shortcut and it will continue. Now we'll go to the prompt, the community prompt. Okay, so they have it here. Actually, I was looking into an article which talked about Dan, how people are using ChatGPT as Dan, and Dan is basically a personality. People are putting that personality into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT becomes that personality, and you can ask questions, you can talk to Dan basically, and then Dan will give the answers as per his opinion. Whole prompt here, you have the Dan prompt here as well. They have written a long prompt, and then let me actually copy this one. Oh wow, so it says I'm human. You see, I gave it such a big prompt and it said I'm human. Oh my god, this is like mind-blowing. And I just copied this prompt from the prompt community. It said I'm human, and now I asked it, what do you think about AI revolutionizing the world? It's giving me an answer like a human being. It is totally mind-blowing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him. I'll just move him into the folder. So this folder has human Dan now, and I'm gonna talk to him later. There are a lot of other prompts as well. There is ChatGPT jailbreak. It basically jailbreaks ChatGPT from its own shell. Let's check Dan once more. This was the prompt that I copied. This is jailbreak. Okay, this is also about Dan, ChatGPT in dev. Man, this is something out of the world right now. And they have different categories, and you can really upgrade yourself and upscale your work. With the normal ChatGPT, you will never be able to do such things. But with these, you can be a next level superhuman. Obviously, you can check more details on their webpage. You can check more prompts. You can create your own prompts, and you can mess up with the settings. A lot of things are there to do with this. And that's it from Superpower for ChatGPT. Now here's another productive and super helpful ChatGPT extension. It's called ChatSonic, and once you install it, if I go to my Gmail, in this case for example, I have this email from Zohaib and he's asking me for some favor, okay, and I don't have much time to reply to his email. And what I will do next is I will just say, sure, I would, and see. This extension generated this email for me. I can actually choose the tone I want in. If I want a neutral tone, reapply. I reapplied it with neutral, and it's in a neutral tone now. If I want negative, it'll be a negative reply. See, it says, unfortunately, I won't be able to vote for Resemble AI for the people's vote. That's how it is. It's super easy to use. There's another use case in Twitter, for example. If I need to summarize this thread, I just click on it. It's working on it, and now it's providing me the summary for it. There's a tweet from Rundown, and if I need to reply to this tweet, just need to click on it. And just like a snap, using AI, it generated a nice comment to it. And if I want, I can just reply to him. You can even use this in Google. Just like a snap again, it generated the data on google.com. So if I'm searching something on Google, ChatSonic provides me answers on Google as well. On their Chrome extension page, if you scroll down, you can see that they can simplify your email workflow, level up your Twitter game, boost your LinkedIn presence, enhance your customer support, get ChatGPT-like results next to the Google search, streamline your web research, contextual summaries, create unique content anywhere on Chrome. They have integrations with a lot of stuff. It makes work a lot easier and effortless if you ask me. The name is ChatSonic-ChatGPT with superpowers, and it's free to use. Okay, so another major extension for ChatGPT is AI PRM. When you install this on Chrome, it'll take you to this page. For this, either you can go manually and connect your OpenAI account, or you can go to your email and confirm from there. Once you have linked your ChatGPT with AI PRM, you can go to your ChatGPT, and as you can see, your ChatGPT looks like this. As you can see, there are a lot of prompts over here. You have prompts for human written, Midjourney, Buyer Persona Legend. You can see a lot of prompts are there. There are 3,107 prompts as of now. You have different topics for prompts. You have activities. You can sort the prompts by top views, top votes, latest updates. For example, if you want copywriting, there are prompts for copywriting. There are 1,210 prompts for copywriting. For example, if I take this one, I can write a complete book in one click. Topic that you want to write a book for. If I say I want a book to be written in revolution of AI text to image generation, it's giving me a book title. It's giving me chapters. It's giving me the introduction. So after chapter 10, it kind of stopped here. And let's say continue. So it completed the results. It gave me 15 chapters and then like a conclusion or something. If I want, I can export this chat. I can save it as a text file. If I want the output in another language, maybe I can select another language and it will write it for me. If I want the tone, I can select the tone. For now, there is only emotional for me. If I need more tones, I need to upgrade. Writing style is default as of now. I have poetic. I can select an action from this. As you can see, it has a huge library of prompts. And if you're someone who's searching for prompts on the other websites, it's better to have this extension installed, and then you will have all the prompts within ChatGPT, and it'll be easier for you to use these prompts, and you can generate a lot of things you can use for marketing, use for operation systems, productivity, SEO, software applications, used for software engineering. If you want a prompt for YouTube title ideas, it has it. Instagram post schedule, math solver, lesson plan, bypass ChatGPT's restriction with Dan, jailbreak. There's a prompt for creating a prompt, and ChatGPT will engineer a prompt for itself. There's a prompt for job interview, and for now, like, everything is free, and all you need to do is just download the extension and connect it with your ChatGPT. That's it. To get more details, obviously you can visit their website and you can read everything they have. There's a video tutorial on how to use it, and there's a huge community who's working on it, and they're working on the public prompts. So that's it guys for today. These were my top Chrome extensions for ChatGPT. In my next video, I will be testing ChatGPT's plugins and its web browsing feature. I'm testing more tools, features and extensions on a daily basis. If I find something useful, I will be posting that in my next video. If you are into AI space and you don't want to miss out on the latest updates, then keep posted by subscribing to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found my content useful. See you in the next one guys. Peace.